Hey everyone, it's Dave Hodgkinson. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can earn money with Shoply, specifically through their affiliate program. So if you don't know what Shoply is, it is a new online marketplace for customers to go buy their favorite products at. Compare it to Etsy or Amazon or Alibaba. It's new. So they are rewarding the affiliates who send customers to their platform to start purchasing through their affiliate program. So let me explain to you how this all works. Let's start with the basics, okay? As a Shoply affiliate, you can earn commissions every time someone buys a product through your unique referral link. This is what's called direct sales commissions or affiliate commissions. If you share a link to a cool product on your blog, social media, and someone clicks on it, makes a purchase, you're gonna get a commission off of that sale. Pretty easy, right? The added bonus is that if you send them to Shoply for one product, but then they end up purchasing different products, you're gonna get paid on commissions for all of those products. Now, here's where it gets even better. Shoply also offers lifetime commission. This means that when someone makes their first purchase through your link, they're tagged as your referral. From that point on, you'll earn commissions on every single future purchase they make on Shoply for life. It's a great way to set up passive income. Send somebody to Shoply one time, and if they return and buy product after product, months on months, just kind of like what we do with Amazon, you're going to keep getting paid over time. So whether you're sharing your favorite products or building a long-term income source, Shoply's affiliate program is a great way to earn money online. There are other ways that you can make money with Shoply, but the affiliate program is probably one of the top affiliate programs I've seen that's going to allow you to promote all kinds of products and build a long-term income from your initial effort of sending customers to their site. If you're ready to get started, hit the link in the description to sign up as a Shoply affiliate today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips. Catch you on the next one.